What's up, guys? It's basically 2 a.m. here in my place, and I should sleep at this time, but I don't know, I was thinking about something deep. Oh, we have a nice view, I think. So, I was thinking about something deep right now and have some thoughts in my brain. And okay, I open the phone, I open the light, and I was thinking, okay, let's talk about this. This will be a cringe motivational video, I think, or I know, a cliche or something like that. But so it's Friday night right now here in Romania, and why I open this camera? So I'm living in a residential building here in city center, and in every city center in the world, in a town, in a city, here in a weekend is of course a lot of chaos. Like you have the clubs, you have the best restaurants and places like that. So if I'm going to the balcony right now, I'll hear the music from the club or from the restaurant. It's 2 a.m. Everybody's drunk, everybody try to approach a 5 of 10 girl and something like that. Everybody's on drugs, I don't know. So yeah, the music is pretty loud. And I was thinking like, and I want to give you some motivation because people like me, or not people like me, because I'm not a multi-millionaire or something like that. Of course, I have crazy ambition. I want to be a multi-millionaire. And of course, you need to have crazy ambition too, because life is too short to not think big and do big things. So guys, people like me right now have a six-figure business, online business, have a team. I just finished my work, a lot of work for tonight. And it's so funny because multi-millionaires, young people who earn a lot of money, basically their Friday night looks like that. They just open the laptop, they work, and they go back to sleep. And tomorrow is another day. Maybe going to gym, doing a boxing session, and that's their life. And they make millions or, I don't know, hundreds of dollars. And a lot of 2K income guys are right now in a club, try to approach a 5 of 10 girl and go to sleep with her. And yeah, maybe I will sleep, I will get my sleep. Tomorrow I'll be ready to go to work more, to go to hit my chest workout. And they will be miserable, they will be drunk, they will have a headache, and I will be ready. Where is my competition? This is what I'm going to say. Where is my competition? Where is? And yeah, that's your competition. Like guys in the club every Friday drink, I don't know, cheap beers, cheap wine, cheap champagne because they don't have a lot of money. That's your competition. You don't have competition right now. If you want to be better than 90% of people right now in this world, you need to be like this. And you are better than 90% of people in this modern world. Back in the 90s, back in the 80s, you need to be like this to be better than 90% of men. Right now it's easy. It's easy. To be better, you need to just go into gym, build a body, crazy body, nothing so special, nothing like on, creatine or something like that, if you know what I'm meaning, because I don't want to say that word in here on YouTube. Just read, try to read every day. Right now, I'm reading a book about Genghis Khan. I am passionate about history and politics. Try to be smart, open a laptop, and build a business. Maybe make 5K, be free, then make 10K, build a team. And yeah, if you do these things, you basically in a top 5%, I don't know, people at your age. Maybe you are young right now, I'm 25 years old. Maybe you are from a poor country like me. I think here, with my income and with my mentality, I am basically in... I'm not trying to flex, because it's not a flex to be better than, I don't know, 90% of peasants. If I've been in Miami or if I've been in Dubai, maybe, I don't know, I was in the top 20, 30, 50%. I don't know. I know what's the average monthly income in Dubai. But you get my point. But here, basically, I think I am below 1% with my income at my age. Because I know guys who are 40 or 50, and basically they make less money than me. And of course, that's not a... I'm not trying to show off or something like that. But you get my point. So guys, if your friends are right now in the clubs in a weekend, or if your friends are right now in a restaurant or in a bar drinking with beautiful girls, and you work, trust me, it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time, and you will be richer, in a greater shape, in a great mindset here than them. Trust me. You just need to focus. You just need to focus. You just need to work for a couple of years. I think I've been on my journey, okay, for 8 years or something like that. Yeah, I know a lot, but my life have a crazy improvement like the last 3 or 4 years. So yeah, in my last 3 or 4 years, I start living better than every year, like more expensive cars, more expensive trips, more expensive clothes, more expensive jewelries. Because my competition is right now outside in a club, trying to approach 5 of 10 girls drinking cheap champagne. That's my competition. So if you're lucky for a couple of 1 year, 2 years, depending where you're living, depending of what kind of business you are trying to open, maybe you do YouTube automation like me, or maybe you do dropshipping like another guys, or a marketing agency, or an OFM, I don't know. Trust me, it's just a matter of time. And basically, maybe you'll be in the best clubs in Miami in just 2 years. And they will get stuck in the 9 to 5 job, and they will go to the cheap club in their small town. And you'll be with baddies in Miami, I know it, eating a steak at Poppy Steak or something like that. I don't know. Just if you grind. Just if you grind. If you grind, your life will be better than 90% of people. So yeah, I think that's the video for today. I know it's 2 a.m. right now. Just contemplate about life and just stay locked in. I build my business, guys. I have a lot of stuff to do. I have a team. I'm responsible for 4 people's lives. I can't be in a club and don't sleep and tomorrow feel like garbage. I can't. I have too many responsibilities, and maybe in the future you'll have too. But you need to lock in. Don't feel lonely. It's just a matter of time. Just think every time. It's impossible to not have results in the future if you grind. It's impossible. It's just a matter of time. It's impossible. It's like the law. It's a law of universe. If you put in work, if you work, it's like building a body, going to gym. If I'm going to gym and I'm eat healthy for 2 years, it's impossible to not see results. But I need to be consistent, okay? So guys, see you soon and just grind.